Now points to remember. Which point you have to Jatrabai is remember. Now see, Jatrabai is from the Khedi village, and Khedi is the ancestral village and where his father and grandfather were born. Village people live like a big family and help each other in good and bad times. When Jatra was young man, he caught fish with from rivers, collect leaves and roots and herbs to make medicine and sell in town market to earn money and also work in the field also. Now let's move ahead. Now think and tell. You have to tell now this question's answer. Just a minute. Now in Khedi village, what all children do? What all children learn? Children in Khedi village learn to sing, dance, play flute, dhol, make vessels of clay and bamboo, learn to recognize and imitate a bird's sound. Next question is, what do learn from your elders? We learn good manners, values, help each other, and many other things from our elders. You have to write your answer like this. Jatria learned so many things in Khedi. How many of those would be useful for him in Mumbai? Write your opinion. Which things he can useful in Mumbai? So Jatria learned playing flute, dole, selling goods, catching fish. These would be helpful. These would be useful for him in Mumbai to earn money. The next question is, do you hear the sound of birds every day? Which ones? Yes, we hear lots of sound of the birds, no, every day. So which is that? We uh, we hear the sound of birds like crow, pigeon, sparrow. Can you imitate the sound of any bird? Show how. So you have to write your own answer here. Next question, what are some of the sound that you hear every day but the people of Khedi may not be hearing? Which kind of sound they are not hearing every day, which we are hearing every day? We hear the sound of vehicles like bus, scooter, truck around us, which people in Khedi village may not be here because there is no traffic, there is no vehicles, there is no roads. Everywhere there is a jungle only. People are enjoying in Khedi village natural sound hearing. So next question is, have you experienced silence? When and where? We experience silence in library while sleeping. Now next, across the river. One day, the people of Khedi hear that big dam. So we learn how they are enjoying their life every day. But what happened? One day, what happened? The people in Khedi village hear the big dam was to be built on the river, and beside the river they are living. No, so they hear dam was to be built. Dam is going to build now on the river. So for this big wall would be built to stop the flow of the river. For stopping the flow of the river, the big wall would be built there. So Khedi and many nearby villages in that area would be drawn underwater. So the people would have to leave their village and their lands on which their forefathers had lived for centuries. Means it's as per government order, people of people who are living nearby the rivers, they have to migrate from that place, their native place, to other place, because now due to the government scheme, they there the government has have to build the dam on the river, and due to that the Khedi village and many other nearby villages in that area will be drawn under the water. That's why people have to leave from their villages and their land on which their generation means forefather live for the centuries. So after few days government's official along with the policy of started visiting, government's people starting with visiting in Khedi village with the long policy, different policy. So small children of the village, so small children of the village saw a policy for the first time because they are wondering about these things. Some children would run after them, some would get scared and start crying to see the government people. The officials measure the width and length of river. Some are people came to government, so they are measuring the length and width of the river for making dam, build the dam there, and the fields and forest and the houses area they are measuring. So they called meeting with the elders of the village like Mukhiya of the village. They called the meeting with them to speak with the villagers. So they said villages on the bank of river would have to be so villages on the bank of the river would have to be removed. They are saying they have to remove, they have to leave their own place. People having land at Khedi will give land far away on other side of the river. Means they are saying those people have their own land, means those are land rule. They have to leave their own land, but in exchange they will get land in other places. So they will have everything there: a school, electricity, hospital, buses, trains, and they will have all that they could not even dream of here in Khedi. So Jatra's parents and most elders were not happy about leaving their own village. Obviously, no one will like to leave their own place, no, because from many years they are living there in their area. They have their own land there. They have their jungles. They have the beauty of the nature there. People are enjoying and loving each other. So no one leave to each other and their villages also. So listening to all this, Jatra would get a little scared, he afraid, but also feel excited also. They will get new place, they can see the school, electricity, hospital, buses. So he would think that after getting married he would take his bride to a new house in the new village. So he was in dream. After he getting married, what he decided, he will take his bride to the new house in the new village, a house where he could just press a button for the light, turn on the tap for the water. He was imagining. So he could go by bus to see the city. When he would have children, he could send them to the school. So everything for he was excited, and he starting to dreaming. His children will get school, he will go to the bus by seeing city. So he is imagining, but nothing happened like his imagination. So they will not be like him who had never been to a school. They are not educated. The people in villages, they are not educated. They never ever seen the school before it. So they are, some people are excited, but some are sad by leaving, because of they have to leave their own area. Now discuss and tell. Many people in Jatra's village did not agree to move away from their land and forest. Why? They had to leave even though they did not want to. Why? So many people in Jatra's village, answer is many people of Jatra's village did not want to leave their village because they have lots of good memories there. Still they had to leave because government officials forced them to leave that place and were given land in some other places. That's why they are not angry, they are upset. Next question is, in Khedi, how many people were there in Jatra's family? When the when he thought about his family, uh, who all come to his mind? There were four family members in his family: Jatraj himself, his mother, his father, and his sister. Also the whole village used to consider themselves as a big family. So when Jatra thought about his family, his wife when Jatra thought about his family, his wife, his children, and he come to his mind. He is imagining. Next question is, who all come to your mind when you think about your family? When I think of my family, me, my brother, my sister, and my grandparents come to our mind. Next question is, have you hear people who do not want to be moved from their old place talk about them? Yes, my grandparents did not want to move from their old place because they do not feel comfortable in cities. They love fresh air and open space in village. Next question is, do you know some people who have never been to school? Do you also know of any places where there is no school? Yes, grandfather has never been to school. I have heard that there is no school in some villages of our country also. Next is, imagine, think of kinds of difficulties people have to face where is dam is being built. Which kind of facility or difficulties they have to face? You have to imagine and write your own answer. So when a dam is being built, which kind of facility difficulties people have to face? People are faced to leave their home, land, and farms. They are relocated to new place, and they struggle for work and education and medical facility also, because their new place is totally new for them. Next question, draw a picture of KD village and picture of Jatra's dream village. You have to draw now. Now discuss the difference between them. Also look at the picture your friends have drawn.